Since 1999, Segway has been working hard to create a more intelligent, more convenient world. Now, we're introducing a new product series that will push the mower industry forward. This is Segway Navamo. Thanks to the EFLS technology, Navamo offers centimeter-level positioning accuracy. In addition to GNSS, Navamo combines multisensory data to create a map indicating the working area. It provides reliable mowing for any lawn type in any location. No perimeter wires are needed. Simply operate the mower once to set a virtual boundary. You will never have to worry about perimeter wire breaks anymore. Boundaries can be modified quickly and easily at any time when you plant a new flower bed or purchase new garden furniture. Navamo's intelligent navigation algorithm can plan the most efficient cutting route and make changes on the fly. Cuts with Navamo look crisp and natural. It delivers unprecedented improvements in cutting efficiency. It also optimizes cut length automatically, cutting shorter lengths more frequently to ensure your lawn stays lush and healthy. And an advanced offset blade system ensures clean cuts along edges. Five kinds of safety sensors are built in, because the only thing more important than delivering a perfect cut is doing it safely. Ultrasonic sensors provide advanced obstacle sensing and avoidance. Blades stop spinning automatically if a dog, hedgehog, or child gets too close. Even steep or hilly lawns are easily managed thanks to high-traction wheels with powerful built-in hub motors and Segway's motion control technology. Navamo is quiet and waterproof. It's user-friendly. It's smart. It's durable and intuitively designed. If the mower moves outside of the virtual boundary, you will receive an alert along with real-time location information. Thanks to Segway Navamo, you no longer have to choose between the perfect lawn and the perfect day. Choose life without boundaries.